Yes. This is the first fan I got in 2024, and it's been quite a while since I've collected something. So what we have here today is a 60-inch Fanimation prop in brushed nickel. I forgot the blade finish for that, but I'll put it in the description below. But this fan dates back to March of 2018. Uses a DC 125 SN motor. Oh yeah, DC 125 NS motor. Is 3-blade only, obviously. Has a 6-speed DC remote, and it's electrically reversible. So, let's give you a closer look at this fan. Now, the only reason I have this fan is because it was free. Picked it up from the Rebuild Center. Here's the date code, March of 2018. Here's tag, made in China. UL file number, let's see. Let's see if we can. Let's see if I can pick up. It's E121531. Give you another look. Here. I did that one because I was trying to clean up the motor housing. Screw. Is a 3-blade only fan. For sure. You can see here a motor. Has a generic Ryan 6-speed remote. There's no battery in there because I don't want the battery here to die. Complies with the freaking FCC rules. That the freaking FCC. I'm referring this one to the Family Guy PTV FCC song. I mean, it's not made for kids, but watch at your own risk. Or listen to it at your own risk. It's RH787T. Ryan. Remote. Same thing. It's your typical generic OEM remote. This one's the dimming range. Dip switches, I'm not going to bother doing that. Came with the cradle too. I mean, I only got it because this is a Fanimation fan. And this is my only one at this point. Because I've been trying to find an Islander, or Louver, or anything FTK 2100 because Fanimation no longer has FTK 2100 motor fans. It comes with a mounting bracket, all this, and the screws that attach to the blades on the bottom, and this is the battery. I took that out because I don't want this battery to die. Blades are propeller shape. You can see here, really big. Probably, and by far the largest fan in my collection at this point. So, yeah. I don't know what to do with this fan. I would consider liking to sell this or trade this, but I'll probably keep this one. Who knows, but it's not really a fan I keep, but I mean, I want to try this out of curiosity to see how it works. So that's about it with the 60-inch Fanimation prop fan in brushed nickel from March of 2018. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.